Chroma Key Royale's kitchen. Bring out the best in the kitchen.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I make my ginger, onion, garlic paste and preserve it for 1 year. Let's get into it. Thank you so much for watching this far. If you have reached this far with me, then I assume you like what I'm doing. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. And please share this with your friends and family. To my new subscribers, God bless you, I love you. And to my return viewers, I love you so much. God richly bless you. I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you and I love you. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you.